Fort Conde was constructed by the French in 1723 on the banks of the Mobile River. Today, that site is known as the corner of Royal and Theater Streets in downtown Mobile, Alabama. In 1976, the city of Mobile opened this replica of Fort Conde in recognition of its importance in Mobile's long history. The original fort covered around 11 acres of land and was laid out in the shape of a four-pointed star. The replica fort was built on a 4/5 scale to the original and is now located right above the George C. Wallace Tunnel portion of Interstate 10. While the fort you see today is a replica, there are many actual items and artifacts on display from the original fort. Cannons, cannonballs, and ammunition of all calibers and sizes have been excavated from the original Fort Conde site. Many trade items from the 1700s have also been found here. Guns, tomahawks, straight razors, scissors, and many other everyday articles are on display. Inside the walls of the fort are many displays detailing Fort Conde's long history on the banks of the Mobile River. Yeah, buddy. When the township of Mobile was moved 25 miles downriver from its original location, Fort Conde was born, so named for French King Louis XIV's brother, the Prince of Conde. Shown in this display are items collected from an early expedition to Dauphin Island: animal bones, Indian arrowheads, a dolphin skull, and this amazing tombstone chronicling the all-too-real violence of the era. Fort Conde and Mobile have seen many changes over the years. Settled by the French, taken hostage by the British, allied by the Spanish, and finally ceded to America. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of historic Fort Conde. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.